What is orgonite and what is orgone energy? I'm Ella Amp, and today I'll be answering both of those questions for you, and I'll also be showing you how I make it. So, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Alright, so what the heck is orgonite? What is orgone energy? So, let's have a little history lesson, I guess you'd call it. Okay, so based on Wilhelm Reich's research, he did experiments on what he called orgone energy, which is also known as life force or prana, chi. There's many names. There's two types of orgone. There is positive orgone energy, or POR, and there's deadly orgone energy, which is DOR. DOR is POR, but armored. Armoring means the orgone or life force energy doesn't flow freely anymore. It has been encapsulated into a rigid form. Reich figured out that layering organic and inorganic materials would accumulate orgone. He layered fiberglass and steel wool. Then later, Carl Hans Wells did research and found a more effective way to accumulate orgone energy. He found that casting metal in resin with a 50-50 ratio had more power. He was the first person to coin the term orgonite. And Don and Carol Croft are the ones who popularized making orgonite. Carol found that by putting quartz crystal into the orgonite matrix, it accumulated orgone and transmuted DOR into POR. Positive effects of orgonite. Orgonite with the quartz functions is to transmute negative energy into positive energy, or change DOR into POR. And orgonite has many positive effects. So basically, ground rules for when you're making it are 50% resin, 50% metal, and a small bit of quartz, which is what I use when I make it. You could, of course, do other things for, the look of it, or to make, change the color or whatever, but those are just basic ground rules for simple orgonite. Some people like to wire wrap crystal points or put coils in, which just helps direct energy. Wire wrapping your quartz points, if you're using quartz points, because when the resin hardens, it creates pressure on the quartz, which helps it release. It'll still do it anyways, but it releases has a piezoelectric effect. Let's see. Okay, so the benefits of it. Feeling better both physically and spiritually. Energy blockages are healed and energy around you starts to flow unobstructed. Vivid dreams. This is an effect that many people, including orgone skeptics, have experienced. Better sleep. Some people have trouble sleeping if they have orgone generators in the room, as it might take some time to get used to the energized environment. In the long run, it promotes good sleep, and many have reported that they've been cured of chronic insomnia with the help of orgone generators. Spiritual growth goes hand in hand with cleaner energy. Protection from EMFs, or electromagnetic fields. This is one of the main benefits of orgone. It protects your body from harmful effects. Many people have felt instant relief from a simple pendant. If you're very sensitive to electromagnetic radiation, you may need to place more pieces of orgone around EMF emitting devices, such as refrigerator, computer, TV, clock, radio, cell phone, etc., etc. Accelerated plant growth. This orgone benefit is easily viewed when tested. It purifies the atmosphere and areas affected by EMF pollution. Cleaner water. Water which has rested on top of an orgonite charging plate typically tastes better and feels cleaner. And it purifies the atmosphere, or helps areas that are polluted by EMFs. So, you know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. As always, have a great day, and I will see you next time.